Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best CNC wood router machines that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have MYSWEETY Upgrade Version CNC 3018 Pro Engraver Machine. The MySWEETY 2-in-1 5500 mW CNC 3018 Pro Engraver Machine is a versatile DIY CNC router kit designed for precision engraving and milling tasks. It comes equipped with a powerful 5.5W module, making it ideal for working with a variety of materials such as plastic, acrylic, PCB, PVC, and wood. With Gerbil control and a 3-axis setup, this machine offers precise and customizable control over your projects. The included offline controller allows you to operate the CNC router without the need for a computer connection, enhancing convenience and flexibility. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the MYSWEETY CNC 3018 Pro is a reliable tool for creating intricate designs and precise cuts in various materials, making it a valuable addition to any workshop or DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Moving on at number 4, we have Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO Router Milling Engraving Machine. The Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO Router Kit is a high-performance CNC machine designed for precision carving, milling, and engraving tasks. With Gerbil control and a 3-axis configuration, it offers exceptional control over your projects. Its generous working area of 300 by 180 by 45 mm accommodates a wide range of materials, including plastic, acrylic, PCB, PVC, and wood. This CNC kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced users, thanks to its user-friendly design and robust construction. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or making precise cuts, the Genmitsu CNC 3018 PRO provides the accuracy and versatility needed for a variety of creative and professional applications. Upgrade your workshop with this reliable and efficient CNC router kit. At number 3, we have Genmitsu 3020 PRO Max CNC Router Machine. The Genmitsu 3020 PRO Max CNC Router Machine is a versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications, including metal carving and various other precision tasks. With its Gerbil offline controller, limit switches, and emergency stop feature, it prioritizes safety and control in your workspace. Featuring an XYZ effective working area of 300 by 200 by 72 mm, 11.8 by 7.9 by 2.8 inches, this CNC router provides ample space for your projects. Whether you're working with metals or other materials, the Genmitsu 3020 PRO Max offers precision and reliability. It's an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a dependable CNC machine capable of handling diverse tasks with ease. Upgrade your workshop and unlock your creativity with this powerful tool. At number 2, we have Anoitools All-Metal 3018 Pro Plus CNC Router Milling Machine. The Anoitools CNC Router Machine 3018 Pro Max is a versatile and powerful tool suitable for a variety of creative and precision tasks. Equipped with a 500W spindle, it's capable of working with wood, metal, acrylic, MDF, and more, making it perfect for woodworking, metalworking, and crafting intricate designs. This CNC machine offers a spacious working area of 300 by 180 by 60 mm, providing ample room for your projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the ANNOYTOOLS CNC router machine delivers accurate and detailed results for tasks such as milling, cutting, and engraving. Its user-friendly design and DIY-friendly features make it an excellent choice for those looking to explore their artistic and design capabilities while achieving exceptional precision and quality. And finally at number 1, Genmitsu CNC Router Machine Prover XL 4030. The Genmitsu CNC Router Machine Prover XL4030 is a versatile and robust tool suitable for a wide range of creative and precision tasks. With the capability to work with wood, metal, acrylic, MDF, and more, it's the ideal choice for woodworking, metalworking, and crafting intricate designs. Featuring a spacious working area of 400 by 300 by 110 mm, this CNC machine provides ample space for your projects, allowing you to tackle larger and more complex tasks with ease. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the Genmitsu CNC Router Machine Prover XL4030 delivers accurate and detailed results for tasks such as milling, cutting, and engraving. Its user-friendly design and DIY-friendly features make it a top choice for those looking to explore their artistic and design potential while achieving exceptional precision and quality.